How does Python make decisions? Today, we're unlocking the incredible power of true and false, the foundation of all smart programs. Today, we're diving into Boolean expressions. You'll master all the comparison operators, use logical operators like and, or, and not like a pro, understand truth tables that show exactly how logic works, and build complex conditions that make Python incredibly smart. Let's make Python think. Here's what makes Boolean expressions so powerful. They can only be one of two things, either true or false. That's it. This simple two-value system is how Python makes every single decision. It's like a digital yes or no that computers understand perfectly. Let's master the comparison operators. Double equals asks if two things are the same. Exclamation equals asks if they're different. Greater than, less than, and the combos with equals check size relationships. Remember, 1 equals assigns, 2 equals compares. Let's see comparisons in action. Age equals 13. We check if age double equals 13, and that's true. Age not equal to 10, we check if age exclamation equals 10, and that's true because 13 is not 10. Age greater than 15, that's false because 13 is not greater than 15. Height less than 6, that's true because 5.5 is less than 6. Now we get really powerful with logical operators. The word and combines two conditions. Both must be true. The word or means at least one must be true. And not flips true to false or false to true. These three words make Python incredibly smart. Here's how logical operators work. Conjoin requires age greater than or equal to 12 and grade greater than or equal to 7. Both are true, so conjoin is true. Weekend means day equals Saturday or day equals Sunday. Either one makes it true. And school day is not weekend. It flips whatever weekend is. Here are memory tricks that'll help you forever. Think of and as a strict parent. Both conditions must be true, no exceptions. Think of or as a lenient parent. Either condition being true is good enough, and not is like opposite day. Everything gets flipped around. Let's understand this with truth tables. For and, we only get true when both sides are true. Any false makes the whole thing false. For or, we get true whenever at least one side is true. Only when both are false do we get false. And not just flips whatever it gets. Here's a complex real-world example. Good weather for cricket requires three things: temperature greater than 20 and temperature less than 35 and not raining. We have 28 degrees, which is between 20 and 35, and it's not raining. All three conditions are true, so good weather is true. Perfect cricket weather. Another example, school admission. The student must be between 11 and 14 years old and have a test score of at least 80. Our student is 12 years old, which is in range, and scored 85, which is above 80. All conditions met. They're eligible. Here's a trap that catches everyone. You might write if x equals 5 or 6, thinking it checks both values. But Python sees this as x equals 5 or just 6. Since 6 by itself is always true, the whole thing is always true. You need to write x equals 5 or x equals 6. Check each condition separately. Quick challenge. What will 10 greater than 5 and 3 less than 8 evaluate to? Think through each part. The answer is true. 10 greater than 5 is true. 3 less than 8 is also true. And true equals true. Both conditions passed, so the whole expression is true. Let's practice with more examples. X greater than y, in other words, 10 is greater than 5, so it's true. In line 5, x equals 10 and also y equals 5. Both are true. In line 6, x less than 5 or y less than 10, the first is false, but the second is true, so true overall. And not of x equals y, 10 doesn't equal 5, so not false equals true. Pro tip for complex Boolean expressions. Use parentheses liberally. They make your logic crystal clear and prevent any confusion about what gets evaluated when. Your future self will thank you when you're debugging. Fantastic work! You're now a Boolean logic master. We learned that Boolean expressions can only be true or false, Python's decision-making foundation. We mastered comparison operators for checking equality and size relationships. We conquered logical operators and for both conditions, or for either condition, and not for flipping results. We saw how parentheses keep complex expressions clear, and we learned to check each condition separately in compound expressions. You've got the power to make Python think.